This is Flair Extra Strong Kit mechanical pencil. This pencil costs rupees 20. Comes with a nice pack with added eraser and a lead box. This pencil is a 0.7 tip lead pencil. This is the eraser we are getting in this pack, and the regular Flair's extra dark, extra strong lead says the pack. The pencil is a typical 10 rupees Flair's mechanical pencil with full black body and chrome at the top of the click. Looks fantastic with a Flair written in gold color. Says that they are overpricing this pencil for this. Other than that, same pencil. Let's check the changes. Is there any in the lead? They are saying it is extra strong, extra dark. Let's check the writing impression of this pencil. But what we found is same light black color. After the breaking test of the lead, it performs slightly darker, not very dark. And they say extra strong. Is there any extra strong? Can't see that. They are selling a 10 rupees pencil with eraser at the price point rupees 20. Thanks for watching.